Hey YouTube, it's Justin, and I fucked up and called Jason, and I needed some shit warranted, and you know what that turned into? A goddamn tool haul. So let's get into this. I'll show you what I bought. You know, I will tell you, I do gotta smoke a cigarette during this because, woo, I probably shouldn't have bought all this shit, but you know, you get on the truck, I feel like, I don't know what it is. I feel like it's kind of like Las Vegas, where they pump aroma into the truck to get you to spend money. I don't know if that's true or not, but I just feel like, you know what I'm saying? Like I've always said, it's like bringing crack cocaine to the crackheads. You know, shit is not going to go well. But I did have a couple things on order, and we had to get to this. So, fuck, I'm dying. But anyway, the reason I called him is because I broke this T30 little star bit, you know, and I had this on warranty. It is a fucking little screw thing, a tap and die set. And then the first thing I end up buying is a number 2 Phillips bit. I lost my fucking other one. Alrighty. The next thing I had on order was 2 pairs of these snap-on cutters. Now you're asking yourself, Justin, why in the fuck do you need like 3 pairs of these things? Well, the problem is that I fucking leave them laying around, and then I kind of forget where I put them. So whenever I use a project with cutters, I always take 2 with me. I know. It's fucked up. It's fucked up. Fucked up. The next thing I bought is a little air hammer accessory. The reason I bought this one, it's got this little concave in there. I thought, that might help you. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. But I asked him why they changed the finish color on all their shit. You know, like all their air hammer bits used to be gold-looking color. Now they're this silver color. So I thought, okay, all right, they must have changed manufacturers or something. So I bought that. The next thing I bought is right here. I'll show it to you. Okay, you can tell by this old snap-on packaging. There's the part number. This thing has been on his truck for a fucking little bit. Here's something. When you see something that's like got old packaging that's been sitting on your guy's truck for a while, like I think this has been on there since before I started buying from him. And I asked him yesterday, I said, I don't really need these, but I'd like some little stubby offset wrenches. And he had the metric set on a deal. And then I said, what kind of deal can you get me on this SAE set? So we worked out a deal. I got, I think like, I don't know, probably 20% off this fucking thing, which was pretty fucking good. So that's a must buy. Okay, the next thing I got is the fucking metric set. All right, for all you part number whores out there, I don't know why you can't look it up or go on the truck, but I got the metric set. Now, what's cool about this set is it looks like it skips no sizes from 6 through 20. You know, you got the 18 and 20, 17 and 19, you know what I'm saying? Ooh, feels so good. So I bought that. The main reason is that the other day I had to change a PTO pump, and I could have used this offset little 10 millimeter deal, so I fucking bought it. So we're prepared for the next time that shit happens. You know, thank Truck Mechanic George for coming down and helping me. Alrighty, whew. Alrighty, feel better. The next thing I bought is these little 1/4 inch SAE, what I call lifesavers, the part number, again, right there. You know, I had to get these, you know, these little 1/4 inch swivels. I actually ordered one in 10 millimeter 12 point in 1/4 inch. I got that coming because, again, PTO pump. So I bought that. And then, you know, I had to get the metric size because I'm starting to find out on these Peterbilt trucks, it's a combination. Okay? You got some metric, some standard. Like, I don't know what the fuck they're doing, but, you know, they got it. So this is 5 through 15. Alrighty. And you know that these little bastards, you know, Snap-on is sure proud of these little, whatever you call this here. These little fucking swivel things. I mean, they get into it. You know what I'm saying? So I got that. You know, I figured, yeah, why not? Alrighty. The next thing I bought is I didn't have any metric stubbies. He had these on the truck. These are Allens, stubby Allens. Okay, I didn't have any of those, so I said, "Yep, go ahead and give me those, Jason." You know, I'm a sucker for new tools. You know, I think everybody pretty much is a sucker for new tools. Alrighty, again, I got some long Allens. Alrighty, there's the part number. You know, it's 4 through 10. Looks like we skipped 9, but maybe they don't make a 9. I don't fucking know. So I bought that. Oh shit, I'm running out of space here on my desk. And I had to get the SAE set. You never know when you might need these long Allens. I didn't have them. So, you know, I mean, I can't be, you know, Justin without having that. So, one more thing I got. Metric double swivel, or whatever they call this, ratcheting wrenches. I got the whole set, you know. It looks like it starts 8 through, let's see, we're missing 11. Do we got a, yeah, we got a 12. We have a 16, 15, 14, and 17, 19. Again, I thought these might come in handy. Basically, they don't have these in SAE, but 19 is the same as 3/4, and that's what holds the PTO pumps on. So I thought this radius here is a little bit less than like the Easy Red or the Gear Wrench. He had it on the truck to compare it. I mean, it's just less radius here, so you can get it in a tighter spot. But, you know, these were, I think, $500. The part number for all you lazy motherfuckers right there. Alrighty. So, we got those. And the real reason, oh boy. The real reason I actually called him is because he put a Facebook message out talking about these new multimeters, okay? So I said, well, fuck. I got to get me one of these. I have the Fluke 88, which I really enjoy. But the reason I got this one is A, I liked the color screen on it. You know what I'm saying? You can see the color screen. I really didn't want the leads because I have the Fluke leads and they will work with that. Okay. I didn't need the temperature probe either, but he wouldn't return it. The only thing he did return was something else. You know, I'm not the greatest multimeter guy. I really, you know, I just basically put it on volts and, you know, check that stuff. But I've been noticing, you know, like one time with my Fluke meter, it said I had 12 volts at the fucking plug that I was testing, but it didn't come up. Like the light wouldn't come on. You know, I changed the bulb and everything else like that. So I just want to get something to compare, you know, that is. And I like this thing. You can hook it up to your phone. So you can leave this hooked up underneath there and then look at it from anywhere. You can do screen records. There's a lot of other things you can fucking do with this thing. You know, I'm not really going to get involved in that. You know, I mean, there's probably some other guy out there on YouTube that's just, you know, went over this multimeter probably like 30 fucking times. you know, I don't feel like I need to do it. But anyway, that's the latest shit that I bought from Snap-on. So I got some other shit coming in. You know, I ordered some specialty sockets and just things like that. Nothing too much. Just to have, because the guys next door have been borrowing some of my tools to work on their trucks, you know, because I have everything for like big trucks. So this stuff I just got just to have. Everything's over here, and you know, it's really no big deal, but thought I'd like to share it with you guys. Like always, check out Justice Surgical Trucking, Instagram, Facebook, all that jazz. Check out my Patreon account. If you want to throw $1 in a month, you know, that's cool. Helps the channel out, you know, helps me out. Helps everybody out if you want to, you know, continue seeing these videos, because, you know, to me, it's just, I'm getting tired of the YouTube bullshit, and I don't know how much longer I'm going to want to do this, just because, not necessarily, I'm putting a lot of time in this, and, you know, it's, I got other things to concentrate on. So the videos might be few and far between. But anyway, like always, thanks for watching, and I gotta fucking go.